This is a small Muslim country, Bangladesh. Now it is the holy month of Ramadan. A young boy walks towards the mosque crying Iftar with care and devotion. In this country, people of age observe the fast, young and old alike. Faith lives in their hearts, and Ramadan brings everyone closer together. Before sunset, plates of iftar are arranged beautifully inside the mosque. One by one, the fasting believers arrive, their faces calm, peaceful, and full of anticipation. There is something truly special about breaking the fast together as a community. Neighbors sit side by side, sharing food, sharing faith, and sharing gratitude. After iftar, the worshipper prepare for prayer. Then, standing shoulder to shoulder, they offer Salah in congregation, united in faith, united in peace. There is no just a moment. There is the spirit of Ramadan.